guys, so I'm on my way to the Apple store right now. I'm gonna go pick up my phone. I already ordered it, so I'm really excited. Look, I've been wanting this phone for a while now, so I'm glad that I'm finally able to get my hands on it. Now I'm gonna go to the Apple store. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I'm really excited. Are you excited? Let's go. So I am back. It's been a couple days later. I didn't open it right when I got it because I wanted the accessories to come in, and now they're finally here. So now I can finally, you know, unbox it for real. We can finally open it, and I'm really excited. So let's get straight into it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh man. I got Vaseline on this for my hands. See, this is what I was talking about. I wanted all the accessories to come in so nothing can get messed up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I have this privacy screen protector, and then I just have a normal matte case. So this is what it looks like, and then it has the MagSafe right here. Moment of truth. Oh. Wow. Okay, cue the aesthetics. So the first thing that I'm gonna do before I do anything is put it in here. This is what we have in the box. We just have this in there, this. We have a sticker. These are in like every single one of them. Okay. Hello? I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. No, I can't talk right now. Sorry, bye. This, oh gosh. Let's see if we can make this aesthetically pleasing. This junk sucks. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This. Okay guys, so welcome back. I'm going to be doing an update on the phone and the pros and cons, even though I don't have too many cons about this phone. I've had it for a couple weeks now and I've gotten used to it. Before I was using my iPhone XR. My first pro I would say is the camera quality, because the camera quality is absolutely amazing. This camera can shoot up to 48 megapixels, which is on the same level as professional photography. Everything just looks super crisp. Even if you don't even have the RAW on, it's still gonna look super crisp. Another thing that I really like about this phone is the battery life. The battery life is absolutely amazing. I can charge this phone one time and I won't have to charge it for like 24 hours for the entire day. So that's definitely a plus. You don't really have to worry about charging it every couple of hours when you're out and about. A con, I would say it's not really a con, but I don't really use the dynamic island, and I know that's what really sets this phone apart from the other models, is the little notch right here in the front. But I don't really use it that much. It's just there, you know, just doing nothing, but I'll use it from time to time. I just don't use it as frequent as I thought I would. That's not really a con, but I just wanted to point that out. Another thing is the always on display. I know a lot of people have been complaining about that, saying that the display is still too bright after, you know, closing their phone, but honestly I've gotten so used to it that it doesn't even bother me anymore. At first I did think it was too bright, but now I'm like, okay, it's really not that bad. I've gotten used to it. It's super fast and the quality is amazing. Battery life is amazing. Yeah, I love everything about it. I still have both of my phones, so I use them back to back from time to time whenever I just feel like. Mostly I use this phone if I want to like get something off of it, because I didn't switch over everything to my new phone, so I wanted to start fresh. Most of the time if I am on this phone, it's because I'm trying to send something to this phone. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want more unboxing videos, make sure you guys comment down below and tell me what I should unbox next and what other video I should do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!